I start with the name of Allah, whose benevolence is everlasting, whose blessings are uncountable. In this video, I will tell you how to add light swirl effect in your photo. Open a photo of yourself in Picsart app, edit adjust its contrast, brightness. I'm adding black and white effect in this photo. Except face, the picture is in black and white. It's on you if you want to visible the face or not. This editing is so simple and easy. First of all, you have to select, then background, and then face. And the face will be prominent. And it is in colorful mode. Adjusting the fade if you want. After applying effect, click on the tick on the right upper corner to save the photo. After that, go to Tools, click on Adjust to adjust the brightness, contrast, and clarity of the photo if you want. I am adjusting its brightness, contrast, and clarity only. Click on Sticker, then search Light Swirl and add any of them. I'm selecting this one. Adjust its size, volume if you want. I'm adjusting it. I will not apply it on the face, I will just apply it on the body. It will only cover the body, not the face. The face will be visible. Now click on the razor, select raise and raise it to make it original, to make it authentic. And after editing the light swirl effect, the picture is like this. Now I will adjust its brightness, contrast, and clarity of the light swirl. Now I'm adjusting its brightness. First, I will adjust it on positive 43. Second comes contrast, plus 35, clarity 40. It looks good on 40. Again, click on tick on the right upper corner. Then I'm again applying effect on this photo to make the photo really amazing. And now you're done. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Cheers.